filming a documentary here. So I'm here playing on the down the beach. And fun fact, this boat tried bringing fun, tried escaping, and succeeded in that. But they were so cocky that they went to the USA, stole and sorted out shipment of the sugar. If you know sugar, sugar powder. Use a straw. And tried coming in when they were so cocky that they came in full speed. And we'll talk about this on later. They came in full speed and didn't get pictured. The police caught them midway after coming. It's my type of motorcycle. But the police came in, they caught him, and they all got arrested. And this boat was searched, and they found thousands of pounds of cocaine. Not cocaine, please don't understand. Found thousands of pounds of the sugar deep under the water. I'm gonna try to get a little bit close to it. Probably like a bunch of black mold, and I have a gas mask right now. I don't even own a gas mask. Just getting this way, man. So if y'all could see something, tell me. I can't see anything. A bunch of black mold water and more stuff. But this boat imported thousands of pounds of sugar. Now I'm gonna get home on this boat. There could be something inside and I don't want it. Now this one, this one was just regular took boat. It was obviously illegal because it was people who were trying to escape and stuff. See the brass one, and they got caught. This is the most recent one. Yes, this was the most recent one. So this one came in a few months ago, a few years ago. 5 years ago. This one was 5 years. It's a little documentary I'm showing you. So, peace.